The Lion and the Rabbit. The jungle animals were
Afraid?
afraid of the lion. The frog in the well. A little way from the sea, there lived a big black frog. He had been born here and had never even for a single day been out. Sang with a great 3 F. Importance of plants for plants and animals. Leaves are very important for plants because they help the plants to make their food with the help of sunlight, air and water. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Satish. I got study third H. My story is Lazy Donkey. Bola donkey is lazy and always finding a way to avoid work. Once while returning Science City, Cincinnati because laziness will. Hello everyone, today I am going to read the story of self-confidence. Mala looked at her mother with large worried eyes. Will I be able to sing today, Mama? She asked. Sure, my dear, said Mama and held her close. Mala was shivering. Mama kissed her and said, Mala, do not worry. You will be able to sing well. You have practiced well. Now relax. Mala closed her eyes. She remembered what happened last year. Mala, who was a good singer, was confident of winning in the annual inter-school music fest. When her turn came, she went up the stage. Confident and sure, she sang her melodious voice, but suddenly a lump formed in her throat and blocked her voice. She could not sing. It was only a minor throat infection which was cured in a week. Mala started singing again, but she was afraid to sing on stage. She had lost her confidence. Her mother did not give up because she knew that Mala could sing well. She taught her a good song and made her practice daily. Mala's teachers wanted her to participate in the music fest. Mala was reluctant, but her mother encouraged her to forget what. Hi everyone, it was Halloween. All witches are getting ready to party on the moon. Willy Woo was a little witch girl. She was very excited about partying with little witch girls from other parts of the world. Thank you. Were enjoying their weekend here. Their teachers and a few parents played with the children. Miss, our castle looks real, Nihinsa said to her teacher, Miss Sanuti. Yes. The teacher. He was younger and smaller than other reindeers Gale. They all had proud corn antlers Letter A is awesome. It simply is the best, which without an A. Will my ears grow long as time pass? What makes us look like twins? Tell me. Where would I get long eyelashes? And where would I get my chin? Hi everybody, today I'm going to read my favorite topic, family vacation. Let us know, read what Vida and Vida did during the summer holidays. Vida is going to spend her summer holidays with her grandparents. They live in a small town near a sea. Vida and her parents reached early in the morning. You have grown tall.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Sanjana. I am studying grade 4. Today I am going to read about a pouch for Joy. Joy, where are you? Called Mother Gangaru, looking for her son. Come here now. Mother Gangaru looked
from ear to ear. You already know that ears help us to hear. Ears in most animals, including us, are partly external and partly internal organs. The part of the ear that is
The room was still quite dark, and a gust of wind sent more rain drumming against the window. Beth pulled the dovet over her head and snuggled back under the dormy wall. Suddenly, the bedroom door banged open. Beth heard muffled footsteps approaching the bed, and then she felt a rush of cool air as the dovet was twitched aside. Rise and shine, cried a cheeky voice. Mornings start early on a farm. Hey, Beth, complained sitting bolt upright. Martin Badby, her tall, dark-haired cousin, stood grinning mischievously down at her. Give that back, Beth demanded, lunging at him with the outstretched arms.
Curried pumpkin with tikka masala, sunshiny frog and mice sheltered under the hood of the cobra, bears and cockroaches, scrapped. I finished doing that. I had nothing further to say. So I write you a letter, preparing it for Nelly, about what I can see from my desk here and what it's like to be me. Man. Good morning everyone. My name is Faria Tashin. I am going to read a lesson name called Bambi. Bambi was a royal deer. He was no longer a little fawn, nor was he a state. Yet he had to gain
am studying in grade 4H. Today I am going to read a book called Who Moved My Cheese by Dr. Spencer Johnson. Who moved my cheese? The story. Once, long ago in a land far away, there lived 4 little characters who ran through a maze looking for cheese to nourish them and make them happy. 2 were mice named.
The narrated a story to impart the values of sacrifice and charity. The story also explained the origin of the spots visible on the moon's surface. The story began thus. In olden times, when even animals were capable of speaking like humans,
Friend. A man once lost 30 gold coins. Upset, he informed his friend, a farmer. That evening, on his way to the farm, the farmer found 30 gold coins on the street.
Sing a poem. Aim high to the sky in all that you do, because you just never know that it takes to be strong, brave, and at that time be kind. Always remember that you are using your brain. Once again.
Hello everyone, my name is Diarna. I am from section 5G. On this occasion of Literary Week, I am going to tell a story. The story is about a flea and the mouse. Once, a rat lived in a merchant's house. The rats loved to eat the dishes of the merchant's food. Once, in the merchant's room, a flea came and bited hard on its cheek.
Hi everyone, my name is Mokshita and I am from 5th B. I am participating in Literature Week Day 1 activity. I would like to read a story book which I like. The name of the story is The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, there lived a little old man and a little old woman. One day, the little old woman begged.
Hi everybody, my name is Sihat Sahasra and he is my father. We are reading the storybooks as a part of reading activity.
Hi, I am Pradeep Kumar and I am reading Panchatantra stories.
Good morning ma'am. Arati pandu tiyana. Avu palu tellana. Illu rangu errana. Ila paata kammana. Thank you ma'am.
Hi friends, today I am going to tell a story. The story name is The Turtle and the Rabbit. One day a rabbit was boasting about how fast he could run. He was laughing at the turtle for beginning so slow. Much to the rabbit's surprise, the turtle challenged him to a race. The rabbit thought he